everybody, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very fun video organizing all of the products that I use for potting that's living on my potting bench on a budget. I've been talking about this on the channel where I've been looking for containers or some kind of organizational products to go ahead and house all of the products that I use for potting. So I got pretty lucky today. I stopped by my local neighborhood 99-cent store, which usually doesn't have anything good. I picked up a handful of things which I also will share in an upcoming plant haul, but in today's video I'm going to share with you the organizational containers that I will be using in today's project. So if you guys love watching organizational videos for plant life, give this video a big thumbs up. So here's the first container that I want to go ahead and share with you. Now this container also came with a different color top, but I decided to go with blue. I love the fact that it snaps on pretty tight, and also there is a little opening here if I don't want to take the whole cover off. So I think for $2 this is a pretty good deal. I don't see it breaking on me anytime soon. I love that I can go ahead and have multiple here kind of housed together. I don't want to take up a lot of room on my potting bench with storage containers, because you guys know on the bottom of my potting bench I have a handful of pots planters that I just stock up for upcoming projects. So I got 3 of these, so we'll see what I end up putting in them. Here's the next container that I picked up. I picked up 3 of these. I don't know what I'm going to use them for. These can be for my leca balls. These can be for my different kinds of soil. I always can pot up different types of soil and just keep them stored ready to go for upcoming videos. But I think 3 was like the perfect amount size wise, because I don't want to take up a lot of space in my patio as well as my potting bench with containers. But I think 3 of each is going to be a good start. And if I feel like after this video I'm going to need more containers, I can actually see what size containers that I need, and I'll go ahead and pick them up for future videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go ahead and see what kind of products I have that needs to be stored and what I can go ahead and pair them up with. So here's the first product that I want to go ahead and store. This is my worm castings. Now I use half of the bag up, you guys. I go through worm castings a lot. I think I'm gonna put my worm castings in one of these containers, because I think with the spout this is gonna work well. I can just go ahead and open it up and pour it into my soil mixtures. Half of the bag is gone, so I'm not really worried. I think it's going to match up perfectly for this size, and then when I go ahead and re-up on my supplies, I can just go ahead and just fill up the containers. And then now when I do my videos, I'll be able to just have these all next to me, and it's going to be really easy for me to go ahead and just pot things up. Work with my potting bench here just in case I have any spillovers. It's not going to go everywhere. I don't know about you guys, but I love being able to organize, and I love organizing videos. It really motivates me, and I am definitely going to be doing this for my closet and different spaces in my home. Here's one. No, worm poop. Okay. I'm going to pour a little bit more. And whatever falls in is fine, because I use this for potting, so that's not a big deal. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and snap the cover on. And here you go. All of my worm castings are in here, which works out perfect. I do have a little left, but this will probably get used up in the next planting with Jewelyn or 2, so that's fine. I'll go ahead and just store this on the side. So this is the next one that I want to go ahead and put in one of these containers, my orchid bark. I love using these for plants that need a little bit more drainage. Here. This is perfect. A little bit more. Alright guys, what do you think? I think that was perfect. And now if I feel like I need more, I can always go back to the store and pick up more, but just picked up 3 of each to start from there. So here's what the orchid bark looks like. Love that. I have a little left here, which will probably be used quite easy. I think I'm going to put my pumice in here. Perfect. Do y'all fit in here? Hey guys, I love how that worked out well. And again, if I feel like I need more, I can go back to the store tomorrow after work and pick up more, and I'll give you guys an update when that happens. So here is all of my pumice stored. Now let's see what I can fit in the bigger containers. Pink one. I think what I'm gonna do for this one, guys, is I'm going to put my clay expandable balls, my Lego balls, in here. I don't know if they'll all fit, but some of them will fit in here. And Lego balls are not cheap, so I definitely want to go ahead and store them properly. So that was really satisfying to do for them. Here's what they look like stored in this container. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to go ahead and store is my cocoa coir. I'm going to put it in this big container here. So here's what most of my cocoa coir looks like. The rest I won't be able to fit in, but that's fine. That took me a while to break apart, but it's done and organized. I do have some peat moss in here. I'm gonna see how much is in this bag, and if I feel like it can fit in one of these containers, I'll just pick up one specifically for this one. But for now, I think I'm just gonna use it for this container. So all of my peat moss is in here, which works out well. And now everything is neat and organized. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of organizing my potting bench on a budget. I think for part 2, I'm going to pick up more of these containers so I can go ahead and house my perlite and my fertilizer in, which I have here in my potting bench. I think it's going to be perfect for my fertilizers. I have a bunch of these that I would go ahead and just dump in there. And I always go through perlite, so I think that's going to be perfect for that. And I'll get one more just for extra supplies to have on hand. And I think what I'm going to do for my soil is I think I'm going to go in the aluminum bin direction with the bin cover. That's kind of what I'm going for. I'm just going to go to my local hardware store to see what they have. But I hope you guys found this inspiring. All of these containers cost me $2 each. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Everything cost me under $13, you guys, to organize all of my products, or at least some of it, in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2 as I continue to organize my potting bench on a budget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. How do you guys organize your products, especially if you don't have a potting bench in space like me? I would love to know in the comments below. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You can find more on my blog at ellajulian.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California, and my potting bench. Bye guys.